Good afternoon. My name is Grant Stevens, and I'm the Vice President of Corporate Services with KF Aerospace. I want to thank you for joining the OC Open House and considering a trade in aviation. In spite of the pandemic, aviation is an excellent career, and jobs in aviation, many of them continue to still fly high. Pardon the pun. We're in a short-term blip as the airline flying and travel restrictions are keeping some airplanes on the ground. But that will come back this fall is our expectation, and we'll see many airlines starting to rehire and regrow their business again. It really is a short-term issue that we're facing. From a career perspective, students that are considering a career in this program are at least a year from graduating, and the market will be fully back and operational in Canada by that time. So let me talk a little bit about the Structures program. Structures technicians are an excellent trade in the industry. There's less than 200 graduates a year across Canada for a trade that probably demands between 300 and 400 new entrants on an annual basis. Structures technicians for us, for example, over the last 12 to 15 months during the pandemic have been fully employed. They've not had any extra unexpected time off because of the demand within the industry. KF ourselves has just over 200 structures technicians that work for us, and we continued to hire during the pandemic. We actually added staff in 2020, and again, we've been adding staff in 2021. We have a structures development program that we're growing and focusing on this particular trade as we continue to focus on our modification programs. We expect to add 25 to 30 new jobs for the next 2 to 3 to 4 years in this particular field as we continue to grow our capabilities. Why? Many of the aircraft that you've seen flying historically are being converted to cargo airplanes. That gets done at facilities like ours. So in a year, we will have passenger airplanes being serviced, and we will have passenger to cargo conversions being done as we continue to grow the business. We've been around for 51 years. Our staff have had a tremendous success in aviation, and I hope that you would consider joining them. Okanagan College offers an excellent structures program. You'll learn a ton there, and then you'll be hopefully come to join us after that. We typically hire about 75% of the graduating class every year from Okanagan College to come and work in our facilities as our business does continue to grow. I hope you enjoy the open house. Take an opportunity to ask lots of questions, find out how good the jobs and wage rates are, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the hangar floor in a year or so. Bye-bye.